Hey guys, in this video we will be doing Amazon FBA product research. For anybody that's wanting to start an Amazon FBA business, this is the number one thing that you need is to do the product research portion of your business. My name is Bobby, and if you want more videos like this one, please consider subscribing. Let's get into it. Okay, so we are on the Amazon page, and Jello is something that I wanted to look up, so we're going to look into this. This is not scripted or anything, so this is just me going through Amazon. Jello Island Pineapple. Okay, let's see. This is how I do my product research, by the way. Paste. Found the titles. Right here is 36 cents for the great value version. Let's see if we can find it somewhere else. Okay, so there's a 3-ounce box at Walmart for $2.74 a piece. Let's look and see if these are the same. So this is $10.66 for that many. So 4-pack would originally be $3.53. Okay, so we're going to look at this. This might be a quick video because of this. All right, $10.66 right here. Let's go down here to where it would be FBA. So it's $3.53. It's out of stock apparently, but if it was in stock, you would be able to get it at that price. So we'll go here to $3.53, hit enter, and it's $2.80 profit. Now, based on this right here, it looks like there are a lot of sales. I'm going to use the AMZ Scout Pro extension that I enjoy using. Actually, my sales have gone up because of this extension, but more on that in another video. So there are 1,373 sales per month on this product. So how many sellers? 21. So if you took that amount and divided it by 21, there is enough for everybody, if that makes any sense. So yeah, 1,373. So you can send products into here. People would probably get mad that I'm showing this product off, but hey, anyway, that is the first step when it comes to doing product research on Amazon. You found one product, write it down on the spreadsheet. I have a spreadsheet, actually, yeah, I have a spreadsheet down below that you can download and to help you with your Amazon research. Hey guys, if you want to watch the extended version of this video showing you more about Amazon product research, I will have a link down below to that video in the description.